Philly Marriott. Bar lounge area. Nice. Pantry. You can go in and buy stuff. This is part of the Restaurant 13. You can go up to the convention center. Got some other stores down that way. They also got a game room. Corner King. Bathroom. Shower. Go across. Got our stuff there. Oversized mirror. It's a nice size room. I like it. King size bed. You got this whole desk. It's really nice. I like the view. Corner King, so nice. Got the chair. And the view. Corner.
Hey, it's me, TC. If you're new to my channel or enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.